Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back for another budgeting video. Y'all already see it. It's sinking funds. We're ready to do our sinking funds update for our second page, because like I said, I have a lot of them. So if you enjoy videos about design and life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. So technology. All right, here's the thing. Tech has gotten, if you've been following along, it gets money out of my clothing. So it's gotten some change already. So this number will not be accurate. We need to update. So we'll say we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Well, tech was supposed to have 38. So we're starting out with 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. We're going to be adding in 10. So that puts us just a little bit over where we were in November. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 38, we have $2. We're ending with $2 over where we were in November, which is also makes me happy then of why I put extra money in when I close out my budget for technology, because you're always needing something. You need a new cord, you need a new charger, you need whatever. It adds up. Planner. I'm going to take y'all along with me. Don't know when I'm going to do it, but I'm going to go one of these days and do a visit to Office Depot. I think that's the ones that's left, because I need to buy a new tool planner. So maybe that'll be a little day. We'll do a tool planner. We'll go over, pick it up with me, and then we'll do a little haul and unpackaging to open it up and get it set up for my planner for 2022. But here's the money I've set aside for it. So 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and we get $5. So that should put us up to 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. I have not even looked at the new planners, and I feel like most people already have theirs set and ready to go. I used to be a little bit better about keeping up with my planner, but I'm doing my plan with me's now, so I have to have a space for that. We upped our gardening money, so we're getting $10 in that now. So we should have 18. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, another 10. Which puts us at 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28. So that's adding up nicely, because there's already plants I would like to buy. I showed you all a little bit because my poor hibiscus plants were not doing well with this wild weather that we have here in North Texas. It is terrible, and it is terrible for my plants. They hate it. But we had 28. Let's see. HOA, just started HOA, gets 34. So 10 or 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So it gets 34. So we get, see, 20. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34. Let's add these in there. I'm going to, I don't know. I think the only other ones that need like $3 each are my, I like having my bills in order, so I have to move them around before I feel comfortable. And I need 12 for the ones that need dollars are the seasons. I need 12 of those. Let's count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trying to decide, because I know I can make change, I'm pretty sure. So I don't think I am going to actually pull out from here, but I might. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I will, because I need that 9 for giving. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Whoops. 100, 1, 2, 3. So let's pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set it there. Grab a 5. There we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 103. Okay, 103. Oof, that's wild looking. HOA is 200 plus whatever the processing fee is, so I have to have that saved by April. I think we're doing pretty good. All right. Phone gets $10 and it should be at 70, so that should give us, yep, 20, 40, 60, 70. That gives us 80. Good to go there. Okay. Miscellaneous gets 5. I don't know if I've used miscellaneous lately, so let's look and see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Nope, I haven't used miscellaneous. So that's nice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Right on target there. You have had more like work stuff going on, but luckily I've been able to avoid some of it. So I haven't had to spend money. All right, health is 5, so we get 20. Oh, we should have, how much for health? 34? 20, that's not right. 20 in health, or is this hair? Oh, okay, I was like, oh, that's not right. Okay, this is 39. We should have 55 in health. There we go. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, and another 5. Yeah, 60. I think I'll leave the 5s in there. I think they're doing fine. 60 for health. I did just switch over and get an HSA, but I'm still gonna keep my little running cash going. Hair gets 60. I have a hair appointment coming up in, goodness, what is it? I have a hair appointment coming up in January, so I need to have that done. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Oh, we're done. Yep. Because it's 180, including the tip. So we are ready to go for our hair appointment. Oh, that's exciting. Okay. I might steal 20s from somewhere. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I might take one of these 50s, because you know I hate 50s and they throw me off. I'm going to use this to trade out some 50s. So I don't have to worry about that anymore, because I hate the 50s. I don't know why well, because I need to be more specific, but I hate getting 50s. Okay. Taxes is 25. We're all out of 20s now, so we're coming out the 10s. 25. This is just in case I have to pay taxes. I don't have a clue what my taxes are going to look like this year. So it's 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. Should have 330 something. 338 it looks like. Let me go ahead and put this money in here. Yeah, it should be 38. Okay, so 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. Ooh. Where is that? Okay, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 63. Yep, right on target. I think that's right. Oh, I have 63 in here. 3. Ooh, I put a 1. Not a 1. Ack, dirty. 3, 6, 30. Okay. That's quite a bit saved up in case I have to pay taxes. But I probably need to pay someone to do my taxes, so that might be where that goes. We shall see, y'all. All right. Metro goal is 120, and it gets 5 each time, so we should be at 65. 20, 40, 65. Just put us at 70. So we're getting to that 120 goal. Once I get 120, I will not be stuffing that anymore. I guess I'll finish in the next year. And then I'll be done with that. And then 70. And then get to our seasons. Spring, equinox. Each one gets 30. We are up to, we've got 2022 done, 2023 done. We're working on 2024. We have 2025, 26. Oh, we're $1 away from being done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Almost got us. Okay, so 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We're $1 away from being done for 2024. So yay. Usually just, like I said, spend this on food, maybe some gas or something like that if I go somewhere. Just gives us something so I don't have to be like, oh my gosh, it's here and I need to spend money. Terry below. Let's see. Okay. 2020, this is summer solstice. 2022 is done. 2023 it looks like we're working on. So let me set this over here to the side. I want that 29 here. 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So that's going to give us 17. Perfect. I'm trying to decide if I want to switch that out for some 5s. I mean, I think I'm doing fine, so I don't think I need to. So 2023, we are working on you. We will be done with you soon. Summer seems to blown through a little bit more of summer than I have before, so that's interesting. Seems to be one of the lower ones. Fall just passed, so we should have used our fall 2021. 2022 is done. We're working on 2023, 5, 10, 15, 2021. So 1, 2, 3 gives us $24 for 2023. So we'll finish that one up probably 2 months. Be working on 2024, so that's exciting. I feel like I say that's exciting after everyone, but that's how I feel. Like I really do love it. And then we have, last but not least, we have winter solstice, which we have winter solstice for 2021. That's coming up on Tuesday. We have 2022. Is 2022 done? Yeah, 2022 is done. And we have $1 going towards 2023. So 1, 2, and 30. And we need to have 9 left over. So yeah, I'll need to make change. So we'll leave that 3 here, or that 4 total. And I think in here I can get some change. You want to just give it a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boop. Boop. Perfect. Boop. We'll see if we have any money left over. I don't know what I'm going to do for winter solstice for this year. With all the COVID stuff and the new variant, I may just stay home, do like a nice bath, get myself something nummy to eat, do a meditation. Maybe I'll share a meditation with you all. A little winter solstice meditation. A little light in the underworld. And that is it. Now I know you're probably like, why do you have more money left over than Camila? Well, I have $50 that needs to go towards savings. So that should probably be out of that one. And then I have $9. Let's go ahead and pull that 9 for giving. So 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Okay. 9 that goes towards giving. This is off. I should have another $1 here. That's interesting. So 20. 30, $6.40. Yeah, I'm $1 off. I wonder where the dollar went. I shall find it. But I won't make y'all suffer through me recounting everything to figure out what I did with it. All right, y'all. That's it. That's everything. We're all done. So, thanks so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful time. Hope your sinking funds are doing great. Here we go for 2022. Have a great one. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.